Order the perfect leave-in to maintain your hair texture when getting a blowout or silk press. Introducing our LuxeLocks Hair Revive Serum, your ultimate leave-in heat protectant infused with the nourishing power of sunflower seed oil. Formulated to revitalize and protect your hair from the damaging effects of heat styling, this luxurious serum is a must-have addition to your hair care routine. Enriched with sunflower seed oil, known for its moisturizing and conditioning properties, our LuxeLocks Serum deeply nourishes and strengthens your hair, leaving it soft, smooth, and resilient. Whether you're blow-drying, straightening, or curling, this lightweight serum creates a protective barrier that shields your strands from heat damage, preventing breakage and split ends. In addition to its heat protectant properties, our LuxeLocks Serum helps to tame frizz and flyaways, leaving your hair sleek, shiny, and effortlessly manageable. Its non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, providing long-lasting hydration and protection without weighing down your hair. This product is suitable for all hair textures. You will also want to use a shampoo comb to detangle your locks. After applying the serum, you will want to start from your ends and work your way down to the base of your hair. This will prevent you from splitting your ends. Section your hair into quadrants to maintain control of the sections. Always use the mesh chevaux crocodile clips to hold each section in place. These clips are designed with a no-slip, easy grip handle. All of these products can be purchased by visiting the Mesh Chevaux website. You will find that these products will be a game changer to your hair routine maintenance system. They are designed for your everyday styling and the perfect salon use. Order yours today.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.